It is possible to import a data set from an Excel or CSV file. Clicking on the Imports button in the top banner opens an import form. It is mandatory that the structure of this file contains at least the date and name of the tank, followed by the data columns. KYP will then ask the user to match the file's column headings to the various data in KYP's database structure. If the match has already been made in a previous import, then KYP directly displays the name of the measurement and its unit, and activates the Import button. Each piece of data in the file can be selected or deselected by pressing this button, including those already recognized by KYP. The user must then complete the measurement correspondence and define the unit. Finally, you can import the data. By clicking on the views of the tanks whose data has been imported, you can view the data and the corresponding graphs.